Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is your name, and if you're like me, you trade crypto on an exchange that you trust, like Gemini. The question I hear all the time is, what are the best times to actually execute a trade? Now, the classic answer is, crypto is 24/7. And while that's technically true, if you want to trade with the tightest spreads, highest liquidity, and best chance of execution, you need to ignore that 24/7 noise and pay attention to when the big money is moving. Based on my experience using Gemini, here are the prime windows you need to watch. The prime time, the London/New York overlap. For me, the single best time to trade on Gemini, especially if you're in the US or Europe, is during the overlap of the London and New York financial markets. When is it? This usually runs from about 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time, ET, which is 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the UK. Why is it the best? This is when the most institutional traders and professional funds on both sides of the Atlantic are active. Gemini, being a regulated, US-centric exchange, sees a massive spike in activity here. High liquidity, more buyers and sellers mean your orders get filled faster and closer to the price you want. This is critical for larger trades to avoid slippage. High volatility, the increased volume often brings bigger price movements, which is exactly what a trader is looking for. Second best window, the US session opening. My second favorite time to look for trades is specifically at the New York market opening, right before and at the start of traditional US stock trading hours. When is it? Roughly 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, ET. My experience, I've noticed a significant amount of capital flowing into Bitcoin and Ethereum on Gemini right around 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Institutional crypto products and the traditional finance world are waking up, and that momentum often spills into the major crypto pairs on the exchange. It's an excellent window for momentum trades or to confirm a daily trend. The days of the week, when to be active and when to pause. It's not just the hours, it's also the days. From my trading log. Best days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This is consistently where the highest volume and most aggressive trading action happen. Midweek is the time for serious execution. The lull, weekends. While you can trade 24/7, liquidity typically drops on Saturday and Sunday. I've personally seen wider spreads, and small market orders can move the price disproportionately. This is where bots can sometimes dominate the trading action. I typically use the weekends for analysis, not aggressive trading. The slow start, Monday mornings are often quieter as the market digests the weekend's news. This can be a decent time to enter a position if you are looking for a lower volatility entry before the midweek ramp up. A personal pro tip, the midnight UTC candle. Here's a final pro tip from my own trading routine. I always watch the daily candle close. Most major exchanges, including Gemini, mark their daily candle close at midnight UTC, or 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Time during daylight savings. Why does this matter? This is a key psychological and technical level for global traders. The first few hours after the daily candle closes can often set the direction for the next 24 hours. A strong move at this time can confirm or invalidate a major trend on the daily chart. I like to have my entry and exit strategies prepared before this time. Final takeaway and disclaimer. So, to wrap up my first-person experience on the best times to trade on Gemini, focus on liquidity and volatility. Prime time, London/New York overlap, approximate 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Best days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Pro tip, watch the midnight UTC daily candle close. Disclaimer, none of this is financial advice. Trading involves risk, and even the best timing can't guarantee a profitable trade. Always trade with a strategy and a plan. Thanks for watching. If you found this quick, straight to the point guide helpful, please do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.